people thinking that once you have one of your own in office, you are better off than a person who is there. And again, it's there for people to see. I have been telling people from my region to just start moving around. Pana amka asubuhi, unaingia kwa baiskeli, unaenda kwa hiyo shopping center, alafu jioni unarudi kwa nyumba. You will not know what is happening. Take a flight to Kisumu. Take a flight to Kisumu. And when you approach Kisumu, ensure that you are not asleep. Have a look at how Kisumu is. They have never been in power. Kisumu is one of the most developed towns in this country. It's better than Mombasa. If you want to take a quiet holiday, fly to Kisumu. Some of the best quiet hotels are now in Kisumu. They have not been in power. They have been in opposition since 1961. What time was 63? So, I mean, it's very naive. Look at Nyeri. Nyeri is still having hiyo mabati, nyumba zilijengwa na zile mabati ya drum. If you look at that, it's terrible. Go to Kiabu. In Mount Kenya, by the way, the only town that is looking like modernization is Meru. It's actually the best town in Mount Kenya region. Meru has overtaken Nanyuki and all the other towns. So I'm trying to tell Kenyans that it is not you are being in power. It is you are being able to talk on behalf of your people and push and get the things done. Mm-hmm. So this issue of thinking that since you are in the Kenya Revenue Authority and those things you are supposed to benefit is really very. And I'm not going to spend my time doing that. We now know better.